Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video, we will discuss most frequently asked question and answer for API testing series. So the next question, what is a payload in API testing? So guys, if you are doing the practice for the API testing, so might be because in the API testing, what happened? We have a term like more technical things we have to understand, but the things are easy, but we are completely confused the terms what we are using in your API test, right? Payload is nothing but whatever the request you are sending the request body, right? And you are getting the response body, right? That data is called payload one. Understood, right? So let me explore this. So what is payload? Someone will give you, you have, let me show you that example so you will understand. So you can see we have a one post API, and this is your request body, right? In your request body we are going to create a workspaces. So here you are going to send some data, right? This is called request payload. So I'm sending, workspace name, sending the type and description. So when you are going to hit the send button, right, when you are sending the request, right, and here you can see in the response you are, it's returning some data. This is called response payload, response payload body, right? This is what we have a payload. Just we have given some, I will explain you some real-time example. So suppose, imagine you are using the online shopping app, and if you want to buy a book, and when you click to buy button like that, when I'm going to click on the send button, right, the app send the information about your purchase to server like the books name, price, address, and this information is called payload only. Understood, right? In the technical term, in the app send this information using an API, it might look like something like in the JSON format. That is what I have shown you, right? So just I have given the another example for online shopping. So this is how this all the information we are sending, and what happened. This data is sent to the server, and which process your order and send back a confirmation. Okay, and in API your job is make sure what is data means payload is sent and it is reached to the server correctly, and that server respond appropriately. You might test ensure that the order is processed, and only when all the correct information is sent, or that is means if something is going to fail, and definitely you are getting some status code, right? We have already discussed about of the status code to response, but you are not able to get that, right? So simple conclusion of this, what is the payload? Whatever the data you are going to send in the request body, you are getting in your response body. So those are the things are called payload. So while validation of the API testing, make sure all the data you have, you can get all the data from your dev team and a spec doc. You can create the request body as per the requirement. Okay, that's all in this video, guys. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. So in the next video, bye bye.